Hey guys, welcome to English Test World. Let's start. Question 1. Hello Mario. How do you? How are you? How you are? Hello Mario. How are you? I'm very well, thank you. Question 2. What is your name? What is your name? What is yours name? Which one is the correct? The correct answer is your. What's your name? Question 3. How old are you? I'm 10. Me, I'm 10. How old are you? I'm 10. Question 4. Is this your bag? No, it isn't. No, isn't it? No, there isn't. The correct answer is no, it isn't. Question 5. Where is Anna from? Hers is from Rome. He is from Rome. She is from Rome. The correct answer is she is from Rome. Question 6. How's your address? Who's your address? What is your address? The correct answer is what? What is your address? Question 7. His name is John Smith. His name is John Smith or her name is John Smith. The correct answer is his. His name is John Smith. Question 8. Sammy aren't a doctor, isn't a doctor, doesn't a doctor. Sammy isn't a doctor. He is a teacher at the university. Question 9. Here are George and Maria. They are from Valencia in Spain. They are from Valencia in Spain. Them are from Valencia in Spain. The correct answer is they. They are from Valencia in Spain. Question 10. Have you got a computer? Yes, I got. Yes, I have got. Yes, I have. The correct answer is yes, I have. Congratulations, the exam is over. Please comment your score for me.